you once you begin your broadcast. The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Morning, fellas. Guys, good morning. Randy, Sue, good morning, good morning, good morning. Guys, we have had a very volatile late afternoon and overnight session. We do have 8:30 news. Chad, good morning. Richard, good morning. We do have GDP at 8:30. We obviously have natural gas today. I don't care about initial and continuing jobless claims. Mark, good morning. So we have 8:30 GDP. That should give us some movement. But it is fairly volatile. NASDAQ has about 1,300 sellers overnight. They're buying silver. They've been buying gold. Quite a few buyers in gold, 3,250 overnight. They're buying bonds. Anybody trading ZB on the bot, you got a long here, 524. It's gotten first target. Almost 14,000 sellers in the ES. I would expect the ES to trade down to 40 area. There should be pretty good support, weekly support somewhere between 32, 33, and 35 on the ES. The NASDAQ, kind of a mess. Got resistance up around 75, 80, and then again around, through 9,100. Support is down around 90, 10 to 20. I'm not sure. We may have been there already. Yeah, we've been to 03. We could test those again. It's been fairly volatile. Take a quick look at the VIX. 15 range on the ES, 8 range on the ES, already in shorts. Let's see here, guys. VIX cash is up almost 10% at 17.99. VIX futures up almost 5% at 17.48. Good morning, Jacques. In any event, guys, we're here. Pretty good day yesterday. There was some news. I'm not sure what it was. Germany preliminary CPI, as expected. Guys, I'll quickly read the disclaimer, and we will go. U.S. government required disclaimer. Futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Don't trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profit or losses similar to those shown. All right, guys. All right, guys. So the 377 first target's off. Dang! What happened there? I have no idea what that was about, guys. I'm not complaining. Target's filled, fellas. The Bada-Rooney. 800 buyers came in on that candle. Yeah, 800 buyers. Yep. 800 buyers. I don't know what that was about. The 500 tick filled as well. Fat finger. somebody meant to sell it and they bought it. Or they meant to buy 8, they bought 800. Okay. I mean, that thing spurted from below VWAP all the way up to 2 standard deviations. I have no idea what that move is about. 54 hit again. Did you guys get filled that time on the 54? Oh, you're welcome, Mark. Put your target to 85.5 and got filled? Nice. Didn't see that coming. Seriously. I have no idea what that was about. All right. I'm up 714 live. 4 trades today. 4 trades. Okay. RB, 1 trade, 3 contract trade live. ES, 2 trades. You guys good? You guys good? Fellas? All targets hit. Okay. 4 trades. Yeah, this ES is a great chart. The first trade was gold early this morning on the 377 tick, which got both targets, put me up 220. The second trade was the ES on the 8 range that didn't quite get to target, and I closed it for a small loss. And then it took the long again and got both targets. And then I got RB on the bot right here with 3 contracts. So I got target 1, target 2, and my target 3 is set at like 50 ticks, and it trailed. It took the target. Okay, those are the 4 trades, guys. Up 714 live. So here's your question. Here's the question. Let me turn these off for now. How much money in a day is enough? How much money? Right? Oh my God, look at this. That's the question. You guys as individual traders, if you're up $700, what do? You say, all right, I'm up $700. I got 8 contracts, 9 contracts traded, $60 in fees. Do I quit trading? This is a monster. This RB is a complete monster. Complete monster. Okay? Anybody catch any of those trades, fellas? Anybody get any of those trades? I don't know what TT is. That's tick trend. Ron, tick trend. Nobody took any of those trades on the bot? Or you did? Your 8 range on the bot will not, at this point, you can shut it off. More than likely, it will not take a trade. Why? That 5,000 tick, guys. I mean, this would have to be a fairly, steep pullback to get the 5,000 tick red, a pullback to get the 750 green, and then a sell again to get the 750 red. So the probability is, and I shut this off when this took the trade, the probability is this is not getting another trade today. It may, but doubtful. Okay? This has a shot, but this is an enormous 15 range trade. 53, you got what, 5.5 handles on first target? And then you've got what, 9 handles here? That's a big runner, $500 almost. I wish I was in the 15 range instead of the 8 range. 6E, I don't even have a 6E target anymore, a 6E chart. It's just taking up space for me. I got rid of it, only because I'm out of space. And it doesn't take many trades. Dollar index was long. I don't normally trade it. Well, I mean, Al, it's kind of common sense, right? The 750 is going red on this sell pressure. To get that 5,000 tick red is going to be a little tough. It can, but what you'd want to see is a cross. The 5,000 go red. Here's your 500 tick, by the way. The first target on the 500 tick. It may, but then we'd need a retracement to get the 750 green to roll again. Okay? Damn, I missed another RB. Hang on, guys. It's all right. I made money. I'm happy. I'm good today. RB just gave another short, first and second target, and then you got taken out at second target on any runner. I think personally, RB is the most tradable thing we trade. This thing is up and down all day and will generally get you targets. RB is pretty active, and I really like that sucker. Anybody have any questions? I like RB more than the NASDAQ, yeah. Al, I love RB. I know it's thin, and I know a lot of guys don't want to trade it for whatever reason, but it's up and down all day long. I don't think it's had a losing trade today yet. Obvious winner. Obvious winner. That's the trade I was in, all the way up to here. Obvious winner. Obvious winner. This is just since freaking 9 o'clock. I'm watching NASDAQ. No trade. Huge winner, though. First target. This is at 8:30. I'm not trading it that early. Another winner at 8:20. Another winner at 8:05. I mean, this thing it's a beast, fellas. It's a beast. It's thin, you know, pending long 58 quarter right now. 58 quarter on the ES. Okay. Yeah, I see it. 58 to a quarter. I'm with you. NASDAQ, our entry was 97. 97. This 91, if we get above this, here's where the NASDAQ is headed. 91.21. Gold is up 590 on my 500 tick. Look. And another winner. And another winner. The only natural gas chart I currently have is a 3-minute, Kim. I'm not trading. Natural gas doesn't give. Here's my problem, fellas. Natural gas doesn't give me enough. There are things that don't give me enough trades, like natural gas and the 6E. So I got rid of them. I don't have enough screen space. But we do have inventories today. Look at this winner, another winner. Your trailer would be at your second target already. So I'll turn it on in Sim and run it the rest of the day. Did you change Unirenko settings on what, Brad? On what? On what? On David on RB? Man, I'll tell you, you guys don't pay much attention. I have been using this chart as it sits for weeks, and show the dang trades. In the member area, no, not since inception, for at least 4 weeks though. In the member area, if you guys take 5 minutes and go to the member area, it's right here. I mean, I know you guys get tied up in trading and whatever, but I am, constantly testing and constantly working and constantly playing with these things to find the best, most optimal settings. Right? Yeah, David, listen, look, were I you, I would change to those settings. This thing is a beast of all beasts. Seriously, this chart, along with bonds, silver, and the ES charts that I'm trading, are monsters. They are just complete monsters. RB 5-minute or the 3 unit. Oh, Mark, the Unirenko, far and away. Far and away. Far and away. It's not even close. If you guys are going to have just one chart, I would suggest the Unirenko on RB. Trade it in sim for a month. You guys are going to be like, dang, it's a monster. I mean, listen, here, let's do this. Let's just look at today. Now, I don't turn it on. Theoretically, we turn them on at 9 o'clock, right? NASDAQ's chopping around. I'm done playing with the NASDAQ. But at 9 o'clock, when we theoretically, maybe 5 after, should turn this on, right? Here's, if you're, let's assume I traded 3 contracts today. My exits are off. I traded 3 contracts today, okay? So you've got 13 and 21. You got 33 ticks there. And then that runner comes out at 500, right? 30, 64, call it 65. So you got 70 give or take ticks here at 420 a tick, 70. I was not in this trade. This is when I was at breakfast. You got 23, 37 here, first and second targets. This, so you got 70, 50, 13, and you come out on here at 19. It's 100 ticks. It's 130 ticks. Now you got 200 ticks. 200. This is the trade I got, actually. So you got 200 ticks. 35. $49 quarter to 50 quarters 100. 335. 360 ticks. 360 ticks. Tell me why you need to trade anything else with the bot. I'm just asking. 360. 373, 83, 93, 394 ticks, 95, 405 ticks, 405 ticks, just trading RB, 405. 405, 415, 418, 28, 30, 439 ticks on 3 contracts. This is your first losing trade. You'd be up $1,700-1,800 right now on RB, guys. Now, depending on how you trade this, I generally have my trail off until I got first target, right? You'd still be in this trade. I send these, and I don't know that I have any trials in here, but even for my members, guys, I took 4 live trades. I trade it live. That's my live account. I trade it live. I have no issue with putting my money where my mouth is. Now we're into the, choppy, sloppy. And the losing trade I had, if I'd have kept the trade and trusted the bot, it never would have gone to stop. Never would have hit stop. Right? I closed it only because it was at the open. Here is crude got first target on the bot. Come on, 97. You guys should be at break even. Looks like we're trying to push lower. There we go. Come on. Buyers. There we go. Here come the buyers, fellas. It's just got to push through some resistance. 93.75. There you go. 97 targets hit. Here's another RB trade, fellas. Everybody, you guys good on that NASDAQ trade, fellas? Okay. All right. You guys are welcome. You're very welcome, fellas. Now it's free trade.
Order filled.
Here's another trade on the Unirenco on the NASDAQ. Yes, it is. You got buyers here. Oh, 1/4. Come on.
Target filled.
First target off. Guys, the ES is long as well.
Order filled.
ES is long on the bot on the 8 range. Do I have any trials in here, fellas? Or anybody that joined late today?
Target filled.
There you go. NQ on the Unirenco up $1,000. Now that's on 4 contracts. So I'm getting an extra 30 ticks per win. And if you guys joined late, Kyle, I took 4 live trades, 2 ES, 1 gold, and 1 RB. I'm up 714. All bot trades. All bot trades.
Stock filled.
Yeah, I just altered a few things, Jeff. Yeah. I've been playing with it for a bit and I like it. I was going to trade it today. That's right. Stay out of the room, Kyle. Schedule meetings at the open. You know, I played baseball most of my life, so I am very superstitious.
Order filled.
So crude is short again, and the bot missed a short, another first target. Guys, this RB does not miss many trades. I mean, it may miss trades. It doesn't miss many targets. It just doesn't. It's a machine. These settings are really good.
Order filled. Order filled.
I don't know what filled where. 15 range.
filled.
Now the Unirenko. We're chopping around. Gold is bid. We're not, if gold is bidding, dollar's turning south. Bonds are sitting. Silver is still strongly bid. We're into an area of support on the NASDAQ, but it looks like we may come down. We've got a lot of support between 80 and 90. There's a 10 handle area of support. Doesn't mean we can't sell into, through it, but I can get rid of this. It's not in a trade. It's going to come down. 97, 98 should stop. It did. 97, 98 stopped it. It's going to come down. I don't think it can get above 98. Here come the sellers. It's got to sell through about 91. Come on, dog.
Target filled. Target filled.
There you go, fellas. First target on crude, first target on the NASDAQ. We're coming down, guys. Up 765, all bot trades. Nice job, buddy. Nice job, Asheroni. How many contracts? 2 or 3? 2.
Target filled.
There's target on the NASDAQ, on the Unirenko. That's out.
Target stop filled.
And there's the blowout. We've got to come down below, call it 79, and we start pushing to 62. If anybody's still short, we're going to come back into VWAP, it looks like. They're selling them all out, guys.
Order filled.
Okay, we got another long on RB. Whoop, let me turn that off. This looks like it's going to fail, but we'll see. First losing trade today. Oh, maybe I spoke too soon. This filled 6 contracts. That's the second time I've seen this do this. Once in one of my trades. First time I've ever seen it do it on RB. RB will go long. It's got to get above 34. 34. It's trying to turn up on the bigger time frame, 3 minute. Happens a lot on RB. I've never seen that happen. Here comes your NASDAQ, fellas. I told you if we break that area, it's going to come down. We broke that 80 area. Anybody short NASDAQ still? Okay, Joe. Well, it happened to me on a live trade. I mean, I don't mind. I don't care. If I like the trade, I like the trade. No, it only appears that way, Brian. It's the construct of the Unirenko candle. You're not getting entries before the. You're not getting entries before. If you guys pay enough attention to a Unirenko candle, you will oftentimes see before target filled, and the candle apparently is nowhere near your target. Just pay attention. It's just the construct of a Unirenko. Unirenko is not a real candle. It's a fake body. Yeah, I called it. I said if we broke that 80, we were coming down. We're still coming down. Mark, let's see here. We could get a small bounce back up. We're not going far. I think NASDAQ surely should come back to VWAP. Look at the DAX. The DAX is well below. YM is coming into VWAP. ES came into VWAP. We're at VWAP on the Russell. 75 is bottom of balance area. I got us coming down to 62. 62. If we break 75, it's done. It's coming straight to 70, maybe 76 even. 75.50 has to break. We're coming straight to 70. Better fill than me? Is that what you're saying? Huh. Just got to break this small support, guys, and it goes, whoops.
Stop fill.
If this thing can get back to 97, that'd be a nice short, I think. I don't know that it can. But that 75 area has to break. If it breaks 75, it's coming straight down to 70. 75.50. It's coming right down to 70 half. We're coming back to VWAP. Got 17 net buyers left, guys, from over 2,400 at 950. So in 30 minutes, they've sold everything back. Small buyers in here, but nice job, Ray. Up 745, all on the bot. Nice job. See you tomorrow. God bless.
Order filled.
This is almost the first target, fellas. We're right at that last area of support. It's done. It's done. It should come down to, I don't think it can get above 77. 77 now, guys. 70.5 is the next level down. We'll give it some support. 70.5, 71. 77 it could bounce back to.
Order filled.
All right, made a liar out of me. Went to 77.25. Come on, press them. We have a negative delta now on the day, fellas. They've sold everything back. We've got to break small support at 72.50, and we start working down towards 62. 62. Below 72.50, we can trade down to 62. They're buying some back. Still negative delta. They're buying some back. On a little bit bigger time frame, we could go back to 80, but I don't think so. Once 72 half breaks, trying out a Flex Renko. Okay. I don't even know what that is. Got a bear flag here. No, I haven't had time, Ali. I'll do it tonight. Oh, Flex Renko, Sierra Charts version of a Unirenko. Got it. Come on, guy. Guys, silver and gold are bid. Bonds are bid.
Order canceled.
Come on, NASDAQ, get out of this range. When this goes, it's going. You guys see how this is just trading top and bottom of the channel?
Stop filled.
Okay. I would not have any interest in longs. There's no buyers. Small buyers. Not enough that I would want to take a long. Let me see where the short could be again. Maybe 82. This could go back to 97, but I don't see enough buyers. Who's coming? Rob? Who be? Oh, buyers. I mean, I can make an argument for a long now with a stop at 72 half. The buyers are coming now. If you guys want to try a long, you can try a long. Your stop is 72.50. Long, it's long. You got a first target back up at 89. First target is at 89. 89. Forgot about natural gas. If anybody is long, your first target is 89. It got to 86. This is another entry for a long right here, 82, with the same 89. Doesn't change your stop. Now it's got to fire up through 83.50. Got buyers, back green delta, 400 buyers in this candle. And then final target, once again, is at 96. So 89 and 96. 89 and 96 are your targets. Call it 87 and 96. 87 and 96. That's all right, guys. I'm gonna give totals today. I hope to see you in the room tomorrow as well, Phyllis. Give Tom our best, please. Hey, Bill. Good to see you. All right, guys. I'm shutting this Unorenco off. I will give you guys the settings in a couple of minutes if you guys want to play with it today, okay? Well, you can't run them. No, the 3-minute is not short. Your 14-minute is still green. We can't get a word in edgewise? Sorry, I'll stop talking. I have to be done at 11:30 today, Shahid. I have no choice. Audio's fading in and out. Guys, I'm going to close this. It's off. No, I'll find you some trades. Up 24.70 on, I'm going to go back to trend only. Up 24.70 on the Unorenco. I'll give you guys the settings in a minute, okay? The 15 range has not done much today. Down 145 because it's been in a downtrend all day. 15 range is I have down 145. Okay? YM up 240. YM up 240. Gold on the 560 or 500 tick up 260. Gold on the 377 up 140, but that's disregarding my trades. Is there anybody so far? I have no trades on Russell. I'm shutting it off. Well, they're all off now. Crude up 170, done. Bonds, one trade up 781, done. It's not going to give you a short, so it's irrelevant. ES took one trade here, down 525 on a long trade. It's off. ES was down. And my live account, I showed the trades earlier. 714 green, all bot trades. All bot trades. 4 bot trades, 3 winners, green and done. Does anybody have on